Hello everyone, I got this package just now. It's also from China. So I'm not quite sure what's inside, so let's see together. Um, let's rip it up. Here we go. Let's open this thing. So, oh, it's a quite nice thingy. It's a mobile phone holder. So it consists of two parts. It's in a nice red color. So you use this side, to fix the cell phone. So and the other part, this part is used to fix it on something like table or chair, and so you will have this cell phone fixed somewhere. No, I was mistaken. This one will be used to like grab it on something like a chair or table, and this one here is used to clip the cell phone in it. So what you do is put this ball thing inside the clip and screw it. So when you put your cell phone inside, it will be holding well. And the ball also moves around like this. So yeah, like you can put it in the positions that you would like to use it in. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll be reviewing and unboxing a lot of other stuff. See you. Bye.